Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Logan Price. I'm coming off a grueling ACBW Sandstorm. I have a potential injury in my left knee due to my clash with the beast. Now, as much as that pains me to say, there's a potential injury. I won't back down from a challenge. At Sandstorm, we announced the tag team tourney for 2020. We announced the teams: Dustin Little and Hunter Blade, Rich Thunderwood and Browbeat, Zane Chambers and William the Spider Jackson, Mikey Reedy and Clay Mercer, the Afterlife. I'm gonna go ahead and announce one more team before I get to the main shocker. Sean Lancaster and El Diablo have officially entered the tag team tourney. Now, to the shocker. After I slayed the beast and I went on to face Nicole for the ACBW United States Heavyweight Championship, after I fought like my life was on the line, I fought tooth and nail. I got punched in the Bible sack and felt like that they were in my throat. I got punched in the mouth. And almost had my teeth knocked down my throat. I went to war on Saturday. And I won the battle, but I haven't won the war yet. Anyway, after the match, Mikey Reedy came out and informed Nicole and myself that the final tag team in the tag team tourney was us. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. How is this going to work? How are they going to coexist with each other? Well, I'm willing to put differences aside to make history once again. Because a lot of people don't know this, but myself and Nicole are history makers. It's what we do. We make history. Now, Nicole, she's the first GSW Women's Champion, the first woman to become World Champion, the first woman to be Rags to Riches contract holder. Me, I've already listed all of my accolades before. Nicole, she's got many more accolades than that. I could be here all night listing her accomplishments. And she has my utmost respect. I'm not going to trash talk her. But at Eclipse, whether I'm 100%, whether I'm 50%, or whether I'm 25%, I will be ready. I'll be ready just like I was ready at Sandstorm. Now, something else piqued my interest by going back and watching the match after I relived the battle. General Manager Bobby Slater said something that was really interesting. When he announced you he announced you as the ACBW United States Heavyweight Champion, which means you were the #1 contender for the ACBW World Heavyweight Championship. Now, does that make me #1 contender? Since I am the champ. If it does, I'm going to take advantage of it. So hereby, champion to champion, whoever shall be world champion of ACBW by Eclipse, I am laying out the challenge. I'm the #1 contender. Give me my match. And I know you're not going to back down, because that's not what we do. We step up and we fight any challenge that comes to our way. So the ACBW World Championship will be on the line at Eclipse. And I want whoever that is. I'm going to walk in. And hopefully, I'm not going to say I will, but I'm saying hopefully, I'll walk out as your ACBW United States Heavyweight Champion and your ACBW World Heavyweight Champion. Now, at Uprise on September 29th for UCWA, I've already invoked my rematch clause for the UCWA World Heavyweight Championship. Now, that will either be Hunter Blade or Mikey Reedy. And I've already said, as the owner, not as the competitor, I will deal with it as the owner if Mikey Reedy loses. Mikey, you better not lose. So I've got to, for the next month, my schedule is full. I'm going to be rehabbing my knee to see if I can get it to 100%. But guys, you can't see right now, but I have a knee brace on and I'm not even putting pressure on my leg. I actually have to use crutches to get around. But I'm standing here in front of you, making a statement, making a challenge, and telling you that I will be at Eclipse and I will be ready for a fight. When the moon rises, beware of the howl, because the dark wolf isn't far behind.